If you're trying to go viral with your dropshipping products, but no matter what you try, literally nothing works, don't worry, I've been there before. When I first started dropshipping, I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. I would spend hours filming and editing content, and every time I posted, it would just get a couple hundred views. And I would always think to myself, why do some products take weeks and months to start gaining traction when other products just go viral in a couple days? So for the next year, I dug deeper, I analyzed all my previous products that I tested, all my previous videos, and I even looked at what other top dropshippers were doing in the space. And I developed a strategy. Once I started implementing it, I was able to get millions of views for every single product I tested. I was able to get multiple primed Instagram accounts. And because of all the views I was getting, I was making $30,000 a month consistently with organic dropshipping because of this strategy. So in this video, I'm gonna break down exactly what that strategy is. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to do this strategy yourself and not only use it to go viral, but go viral consistently over and over and over again. Before we get into it, the first thing you need to understand is going viral is not luck. I truly believe going viral is a skill that literally anybody can learn. When I first started out, I was always blaming the algorithm for why I wasn't going viral. Oh, I didn't post at 3 p.m. Oh, I posted more than 2 videos today. Oh, I didn't use the right hashtags. Like, bro, I was literally trying everything to go viral, but anything I did just didn't work. I was trying all these little tricks that I saw on YouTube, like using the correct hashtags or only posting at a specific time, and obviously that did not work and it did not help me whatsoever. Blaming the algorithm kept me stuck. I was posting the same shitty videos over and over and over again, expecting something to magically change. But the problem is when you do this, you're hurting the chances of you going viral. Or even worse, you've gone viral a couple times, but you can't do it again and you can't do it consistently. So here's how I started thinking about it instead, and this is how you need to think about going viral. Imagine you're on the basketball court and you're practicing your jump shot. Every shot you take is you posting a piece of content. Every time you miss or fuck something up, that's a video that flopped. If you don't stop to fix your form or figure out why you missed that shot to get better next time, chances are you're gonna keep missing forever. And that's exactly what I realized. The key to going viral isn't just posting more content. It's figuring out why certain videos flop and why certain videos work and then capitalizing on that knowledge. So that's when the first step of my strategy comes into play. Step 1 is broad testing. So to start this process, you already have a product that you're running. You need to start posting content for that product. But when I first started, I didn't realize there was a right way and a wrong way of doing this. Back when I started organic dropshipping, all you had to do was just copy old viral videos and they would go viral again. But now it's 2025. It doesn't really work like that anymore. You can't just copy videos bar for bar and expect to go viral. And especially some of you guys watching this video, you guys will copy viral videos and somehow make them worse and then get frustrated when you don't go viral. So what you're gonna do in the testing phase is post 2 to 3 times a day for your product, and you can take inspiration from a bunch of videos. You can take inspiration from videos on your burner, you can use original ideas, you can optimize your For You page for videos in your niche and see what's trending or see what audios are popular in your niche that you're running that product in. There's so many videos to take inspiration from, but the key right there is take inspiration from. In the broad testing phase, it's okay to copy people as long as you're taking inspiration and not copying bar for bar. Like if you see a concept that you like or a specific stitch video that you like, you can use that stitch, but maybe just change the hook a little bit or change the audio or change the background of the video or the way you show off the product. But it's important to know in the broad testing phase, you want to try as many video ideas and as many concepts as possible. In my last YouTube video, I talked about the viral arsenal. I gave you guys 7 video concepts that every single organic dropshipper needs to master. And those 7 concepts are literally meant for this broad testing phase. So in this broad testing phase, essentially we're just looking for an outlier video. What I mean by that is if you're getting 500 views for every single video and one video hits around 10,000 views, that's not an insanely viral video, but that right there is an outlier video. Now, if you're in this broad testing phase and you're still getting shitty views and you don't have a single outlier video, it's gonna be because of one of 2 reasons. Reason number 1, your product is just horrible and you need to move on and find a different one. Or reason number 2, you just suck at content. You physically do not know how to film and edit a video correctly, and you just need to learn how to make better content. But that's exactly why I created the BSM Inner Circle, which is my one-on-one mentorship for organic dropshipping. We literally show you what products to test and tell you what kind of videos to make, help you one-on-one until you master the skills of finding good products and making viral videos. But I can confidently say the BSM Inner Circle is the best program in the organic game. We got 16-year-olds in there hitting 1K days like it's nothing. We got people hitting 50K months, 100K months like it's fucking clockwork. Discord. But inside of there, you're gonna get a full 12-hour course, A through Z organic dropshipping. You're gonna get weekly calls. You're gonna get access to the Discord with all the other dropshippers. And of course, one-on-one access with me and the coaches. But I only like working with people who are actually serious. So if that's you, you can check out the first link in the description and apply to work with us. But now that you've been posting some content and you've got some data and some decent videos, now we can move on to the next step. So step number 2 is split testing. I learned the most about split testing back when I was running the Blaze Straw like over a year ago. So I'm gonna talk about that as an example in this video. But when I was posting for the Blaze Straw, I managed to get a couple videos with around 3 million views. And as soon as I doubled down on those videos and just changed certain variables within those videos, I was able to go from 3 million views to a video with 50 million views. And I did that just by split testing. So here's exactly how you do it the right way. Now, I made some past videos about split testing, and ever since then, there's been some other people in the organic space that try to teach you guys split testing when they have no idea what they're talking about or have even done it for themselves. So I'm gonna break down split testing step by step the correct way. But first, you need to understand, why do you even need to split test? Like I said before, going viral is not luck whatsoever. Going viral is a skill. But at the same time, the algorithm is a black mystery box that no one knows anything about or how it even works. So if all your videos for your product are absolutely flopping and one video goes viral, you probably have no idea why that video went viral. But what you can do is split test every single variable within that video to then figure out why it went viral in the first place and how to continue making it viral over and over and over again. So basically, by split testing, you can figure out why a video went viral in the first place and how you can do it consistently after that. So split testing is so important because it's going to allow you to blow up products consistently and create longevity with your videos and with your accounts. So after some broad testing, you have a couple videos, they're all sitting around 500 views, and one video gets 10,000 views. You have no idea why that video got 10,000 views compared to your other video, but with split testing, you're going to figure it out. That video got 10,000 views for a reason. So you're going to split test every single variable within that video to figure out what made it go viral so you can continue to do it consistently. So it's also important to know what kind of variables make up a TikTok video. So some examples of variables are the visual hook or the text hook or the background or the sound that you're using. Could also be the hand movements that you're doing with your product, the way you're showing off the product. There are so many variables that go into making a TikTok video, and you don't know which one of those variables made the video go viral in the first place. So it's our job to split test every single variable one by one of that video to figure out why it went viral and how to replicate it consistently. So because there's so many variables, there's basically infinite rounds of split testing you can do. But obviously, let's just start off with round 1. Round 1 of split testing, you're going to individually split test every single variable of that video. For example, you can use the same visual hook but change everything else. You can use the same text hook but change everything else. You can use the same background but change everything else, and so on with every single variable within that video. Then once one of those variables goes viral from round 1 of split testing, you can start combining variables for round 2, 3, 4, and 5, and so on. Basically, what you're doing is breaking down a viral video piece by piece and figuring out what piece of that video made it go viral, and continue combining pieces until you create a proven winning ad format that you can continue to replicate every single day. And this is literally what all the top dropshippers are doing right now to hit these crazy $20, $30, $50, $100,000 months. If you go to any viral TikTok account or any viral Instagram account and you look at their videos, you'll notice a lot of their videos look the same. Maybe they're using the same audio in every single video. Maybe they're using the same text hook in every single video. Maybe they're using the same grandma stitch hook in every single video, because clearly that's a variable that worked for them in the past. So why stop doing it? But split testing is literally how the top dropshippers are finding winning ad concepts and consistently going viral for their products. And I promise you guys, once I discovered what split testing was and how to properly do it, my organic dropshipping journey changed forever. This is literally how I've grown multiple Instagram accounts to over 100,000 followers. Split testing has also allowed me to understand going viral at a much deeper level. I can literally look at a video and understand why it went viral in the first place. Most of you guys watching this video cannot point out a TikTok video and tell me why it went viral, but I can, because I've gotten so many reps and I've done so many rounds of split testing. So once you have that skill, literally no nobody can take it away from you, and you can make your organic dropshipping income so consistent because you actually mastered the skill. Now, the final step of this strategy is step number 3, which is just rinse and repeat. You have a product, you're going viral, you're split testing, you have a bunch of viral videos. You just need to squeeze as much money out of this current product as possible. After enough split testing, you will definitely have some proven winning ad concepts that every single time you recreate them, they go viral. So you can continue to recreate these videos and continue to go viral on command. Now, when it comes to repeating this strategy and doing it time and time again, it's pretty simple. It applies to any product you test. Step 1, broad testing. Post a bunch of different videos, a bunch of different concepts, a bunch of different ideas, and see what outlier videos you get. As soon as you get an outlier video, you move on to step 2, which is actually split testing that outlier video. Once you've split tested that video and figure out what variables of that video made it go viral, you've created a winning ad concept that you continue to replicate over and over and over again until it physically does not go viral anymore because you milked it so dry. And what I just taught you guys in this YouTube video is like 0.5% of what we actually teach inside the BSM inner circle. I truly do not believe there is a better place in the entire internet to learn organic dropshipping. So if you are interested in joining BSM, just make sure to click the first link in the description and apply to join. If not, you can also click right here and learn more about going viral.